everyone, in this video we're going to be creating an image cropper using Python programming. So first you're going to start from PIL import image and display. You can say from IPython display also. You can do the same thing. So it's just basically doing the same thing in different ways. So now that I have that here, let's create a class called image cropper. In here, we're going to define the initials again. As you all know, that's the best way to start a class. The image paths, because you want to know the link to your image. After this, we're going to create the image itself. So you can see self the image equal to image of file name equal to image paths. So you're going to define another one called crop. And you're going to say self, left, up, right, and down. So after you have all this here, the next thing you want to do here is then crop. So you're going to say self the image is now going to be replaced with itself while you're cropping it. Right there. So let me explain this function. This is how to crop. So then you're cropping the left side, up, the right, and the down. So now let's do the easiest function of all, viewing it. You say self, and then in there you're just going to say display self dot image. Okay, so let me run this here, and now let me explain it. So at the beginning, we imported a big module using from, and the module was called IPython.display. Inside it, we imported two small modules, image and display. So after we did that, the next thing we did was create a class called image crop. So in this image crop here, we made their initials and called the image paths. Then we created our image using that image path, using the file's name. After we did that, we went to the crop function. So inside here, we used the left. So how much you want to crop the left side, the up side, the right side, and the down. So then you're not going to replace your image with that. So your image is going to be cropped by all those areas. And then if you're done with that, you can view it. So let's see how it looks. We're going to say image equal to image crop. I'm going to use your test image again. Then in there, we're going to say image.crop 100, 100, 200, 200. Now let's view our image. And now you can see the output here. So all we did was say image.open, and then we said our image paths. And then we also imported PIL, which is a big module, and imported a small module image. So now you see how to crop images using Python programming. Don't forget you can find more videos on my YouTube channel. See you later.